Hey there, science friends! Welcome back to another awesome episode of Science Facts with Server. Today, we have got a super colorful experiment that you can try at home with just candy and water. Sounds cool, right? It's called Candy Color Splash, the Skittles experiment. Let's get started. So, why does this happen? Well, the sugar coating on the Skittles dissolves in the water, and since each color has its own sugar layer, they spread out in different directions without mixing right away. It's like the colors are racing towards the center. The cool thing is, the colors stay separate for a little while before the mix. It shows us how the sugar and the food coloring dissolve and spread out evenly through the water. And that's it for today's experiment. Pretty easy, right? And super fun, right? See you next time.